Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Blocked someone on Snapchat and now want to undo it? Today, I'll show you how to unblock contacts on Snapchat quickly and easily. Step 1. Open Snapchat profile. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. This is where you can access all account settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap the Settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to find Account Management options. Step 3. Open Blocked List. Scroll down and select Blocked Users. Here you'll see a list of all blocked accounts. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Unblock the user. Tap the X icon next to the person's name. This will remove them from your blocked list. Step 5. Confirm action. Tap Yes in the pop-up to confirm. Keep in mind you'll need to add them again as a friend to reconnect. And that's it. Now you know how to unblock someone on Snapchat in seconds. Take full control of your connections anytime you want. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart, step-by-step tech tutorials every day.